everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I thought I'd do a, Jesus, this is heavy. I thought I'd do a what's in my bag video. Yeah, as you can see, I carry a suitcase around with me everywhere because this houses my essentials. Freaking hell, I think it's about like 5 kilos. What the frig? Okay, so this is my new bag for 2019. I bought this from Kmart a few months ago now. I think it was in one of their sales, and it was only, I think it worked out to be $12. I think originally it might have been about 20, but I'm pretty sure I got it for about $12 or $15. So it's a nice blush pink color. It's a massive bag, but it's got the structured bottom on it, which is good because it helps it to stand up, you know, when there's all stuff in it. I needed a big bag to fit my planner and everything in. So yeah, and I like these sort of style bags, like the big tote type bags, but also something that's got a bit of structure and is not too boho where everything's just jumbled all in. So I like this bag too because it's got 2 straps. It's got your shorter strap and then also your longer strap, and I just keep them both on there because, you know, depending on my mood, I use one or the other. And it's just got a little pocket on the back there as well. So inside the bag, this is what it looks like inside the bag. This is a really difficult bag to try and show you because the opening is not like huge. It doesn't open all the way up. So yeah, I'll take everything out and show you anyway, but that's basically how it is inside. So I like everything standing up so that it's easy to pull out. So all my pouches, my planner and all of that sort of thing are all pretty much standing upright, and it just makes it easier to take everything out and to find things when they're actually in there. So I'll flip you around again. You can tell I'm not an expert at this sort of thing. I think I've only done one of these once before. I think it was last year, the beginning of the year I did one. I actually went through all this before I set this bag up, and literally this has been dwindled down to just the essentials. I don't know why I feel the need to carry 5 kilos of essentials around with me, but okay, so inside the bag, I'll show you as well. We have a side pocket here, which is handy for where I put my keys. And then on this side, we have like a phone flap. I probably wouldn't be using that as my phone flap since I have my phone in a big case. So yeah, but other than that, it's just, you know, one compartment inside. So let's have a look what we've got. First and foremost, the reason why I need such a big bag is to fit this bad boy in. So this is my Filofax A5 size Molden, which I've just been going on about for like forever, but I'm just so excited that the new year is finally here and I get to use it. So yeah, that goes in there. And I just think that the color just goes so well with the blush pink as well, like the gray sort of tone with the blush pink. I really, really like. The other thing is my phone cover. Now I film on my iPhone, so my iPhone isn't actually in here at the moment, but this I actually bought off eBay, and I bought this because I just thought it really went well with my planner as well, because I've got the exact one in purple and I have a purple Molden, so when I'm switching out my planners and use my purple one, then I can use my purple phone cover to match. So yeah, I just really like the way they look together. And this phone cover, like I think I've showed it to you once before, is from eBay. It was only $12. It's got a hand strap here. It's magnetic closure. So inside you have your phone compartment and your mirror, and then here you've also got a lot of card slots as well. So sometimes if I don't want to take my bag, if I'm going out to lunch at work or whatever, I'll just slip the cards that I need in here and just take that. So it's a really handy little phone pouch actually. I really like it, and I love the design on the front as well. It's really pretty. It's like a girl with a, I'm assuming it's a cat. I'm really bad at animals, so it could possibly be a deer. Like I actually thought the meerkat on the Body Shop calendar was like a fox. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a cat though. And it's got the little detail on the clip as well. And then also on there. And it has the little one inside as well. So I really like that. I mean, for $12, you can't really go wrong. Next is my massive wallet. Now, I can probably do with paring this down a bit because it is massive. Again, in the blush pink to sort of match in with the bag. It's this is also from Kmart, and I think these were they $9? Something like that. They're not expensive, and they've got them on all different colors and styles. So inside you've got a compartment for all your money and your receipts, all your cards, driver's license there. Then we have the mirror here, more compartments for cards. It's also got a coin section, which is really nice. And then a million more slots for your cards as well. And I mean, look how nice all of that sort of ties in together. It's just like really nice tones. I really like it. Next, I have my 2 glasses case. One case for the ones I'm wearing now, which are my driving and looking everywhere glasses. And then these ones, mainly I just use these if I'm working on the computer at work. I don't even use them at home because I sit close enough to my computer at home that I don't need them, but my one at work's a bit further away. So they're my work ones, and they're exactly the same as these ones. So yeah, I have a collection of reusable bags. So they open up into like a shopping bag, because I am hopeless. Like here in Australia now, we're pretty much bagless in most stores, like especially all the grocery stores. You have to bring your own bags, and if you don't, you have to buy them for about 15 cents each. So, I mean, the amount of plastic bags we have in our house, because I just keep forgetting to bring our own reusable bags, is just ridiculous. So I keep 5 in my bag at all times. That just sees me through if I need to do a quick shop and I've forgotten to bring bags, or they're in the car or whatever. So I keep those at the bottom of my bag, and they don't take up any room. They're so light. My first pouch I have is this one, and this is like the makeup pouch. So inside that I have the usual girl emergency kit. A packet of blotting papers to see all the oil off my face. Some chewing gum. I always like to have chewing gum. This is just it's the Body Shop Shea beautifying oil. I like to just use this sometimes if my hair gets a bit fizzy at work because it's very humid where we live. I just like to put a little bit of that on my hair just to help tone it down. So I do use that quite a lot. The other thing I have in here is my hand sanitizer, which I'm not a germaphobe. I don't generally... I don't need to use this stuff, but this one, the Palmolive hand sanitizer in Japanese cherry blossom, it smells so good. It literally, every time I put this on my hands, people think I've been spraying myself with perfume. It smells that nice. So yeah, I mean, if you're a bit stinky and you just want to freshen up, just rub a little bit of that over yourself and you smell like you've just come out the shower. The other thing I like to keep is some lip balm because, yeah, I mean, my lips, they're not too bad, but sometimes they just get a bit dry and cracky, so I like to keep that there. I got my Body Shop nail file because, as you can see, I love maintaining my nails, so it's essential that I have this in my bag to, you know, maintain these beauties. You'll probably find anyone that does art, craft or makeovers or anything, furniture makeovers and stuff like that, their fingers are probably looking very similar to mine, either stained with paint or short and bitten or chewed or broken. So yeah, it's just the life. The other couple of things I keep in here, now I haven't really been wearing makeup to work on a regular basis, but you know what, this year I think I might. I think I'm just gonna start a new year, a new trend, and maybe just start looking a little bit better and feeling a little bit better. So I've got just a couple of little things that I like to keep as far as makeup goes, and it's mainly just lips because let's face it, that's the thing that wears off the quickest, especially with me. So I have the main lip color that I always like to wear is these three. So we've got the Essence lip liner in satin mauve. I like to line my lips with that. And then I use on top of that the Australis in Motown, which is this color. This is the color Inject lipstick, and I'll show you what it actually, it's just a really nice mauvey color. It looks a bit dark, but it's actually not that dark. It's just like a really nice sort of natural mauvey color. And I think for me, the purplier tones look a lot better on my lips. And then I put on top of that just this NYX, what shade is this? This is actually called Beige, 129 Beige, but it's a very neutral sort of pink color. And I usually just put that over the top, and it just gives it a slight pinky look over the top of the mauve. So those are the three products that I like to wear on my lips most of the time. Then I just have a mascara for touch-ups, and then a black eyeliner for touch-ups. Because I've actually found with these black frame glasses, when I use a bit of black eyeliner and mascara, like it seems to really make my eyes pop. Like I think maybe because of the frame of black against the blue. So I've just really been liking wearing eyeliner since I've got these glasses actually. I haven't worn a lot of makeup around my eyes since I've had problems with it, but now that I've got the lens patch on, it's not too bad. The only other couple of things I have in this little makeup kit is a Body Shop Shea hand cream, because my hands do get very dry at work. And the other little thing is, this is one of my Body Shop advent calendar little gifts that I got, and it's the Strawberry Soothing Face Mist. So because I work in like a really air-conditioned environment, my face sometimes get really, like it feels dry even though it's actually not. So I've just thought maybe giving it a spritz of that might hydrate it a bit throughout the day. So that's what's in my makeup kit. I'm not sure if I've already showed, but yeah, a little packet of tissues is essential. Again, especially for blotting off oil off your face, and you know, if you need to pick your nose with a tissue. I don't know. Tissues, everyone needs tissues, right? So packet of tissues. This little pouch is my eye kit. It's just got all my eye drops that I need to use throughout the day. Also, it's more like a little bit of a medicine cabinet, this little pouch here. So I've just got ibuprofen in there, because for me, if I start to get a headache and I don't get a couple of tablets sooner than later, it'll often turn into a migraine, which is not very nice. I've also got some dental floss. What is this actually? Are these like little floss sticks? I think these are like little dental floss sticks. They're like little tiny brushes that you can just get your crap out of your teeth on the go. And then I've also got a couple of these little floss sticks, because after being at the dentist, she says I need to floss more, so I figured I'll just have them with me and I can do that at work. Then I've just got some lens cleaner in here for my glasses, some tweezers if I have some stray whiskers that I feel, and I can just pluck them out on the go. Some more stuff for my eye. What else is in here? Replacement lens patches for my eye. So yeah, and then a couple of microfiber cloths for my glasses. So that's my little medicine type pouch. And then I've got my Body Shop Shea Body Mist. This is as close to perfume as I actually wear. I used to be right into perfume a couple of years ago, but I've just gone off it, to be honest. I just prefer the smell of shower gel, like, you know, when you come out of the shower, like just that fresh smell. But this is actually a really nice fresh fragrance. It's the Shea fragrance from Body Shop, and it's a body mist, so it's not such a strong smell. If I feel a bit stinky, or if there's a hot guy at work that I feel like I want to impress. Wow, hopefully my husband's not watching this one. And then in this little tiny pouch, now these pouches, they came in a 3-pack. I'll just show you actually. They came in a 3-pack, like all joined together like that. They're all a rose gold from Kmart, and I think they were on clearance for about $6 for the set. So they're just nice. I love rose gold, so it goes nice in my blush pink bag. And the last little pouch is just this small one here, and I've just kept my headphones and my USB charger for my phone, and I've also just got my work swipe pass in there. That's just to get into the building at work. And last thing I have in my bag are obviously my house keys, and on my house key I also have a USB stick. This is, I think, a 2 terabyte gig stick, which is really good. Not that I really use it, but you know, in an emergency if you need it, I like to keep it on my key ring. I know it's weird looking in people's bags, but I used to enjoy them. I haven't watched them in a long time actually, and I just watched a couple before doing this one to see if I'm still doing it right. So yeah, that's all I keep in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.